performance, wasn't it? Give it a nice one before
I brought here some of the Vietnamese percussion, so I would love some volunteer coming with me. And I got the best friend here, is Vicky. Thank you, Vicky. She's a connection between me and your organization. And we got a piece of the singing that I would love Vicky to join me, and Vicky can help me to invite all the volunteers to join us with the very simple lesson I will show you. This percussion is called Sanh Tiền. So the coin in Vietnam music we call is Tiền. So then we use this coin to make the noise. That is a So with this piece of the song, we will singing, and we would love you all can practice, can play this one joining us. And who's volunteer? Please raise your hand up, and I will bring this one to you.